Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 5 best bodyweight exercises to lose your belly overhang in 30 days. So here are 5 effective bodyweight exercises that target the core, helping reduce belly overhang when done consistently over 30 days. Along with these exercises, staying active overall, eating a balanced diet, and keeping a calorie deficit can maximize your results. Number 1. Plank variations. Basic plank, get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Hold this position, keeping your body straight, core tight. Side plank, rotate to one side, supporting your weight on one forearm and your feet stacked on each other. This works your obliques. Plank reaches. While holding a plank, reach one hand forward, then alternate. This challenges your stability and engages your core. Reps. Hold each for 30 to 45 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and bring one knee to your chest, then quickly switch, bringing the other knee in. This cardio-intensive move activates the core, increases heart rate, and burns calories, helping reduce belly fat. Reps. 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Number 3. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your knees toward your chest. As you lift your shoulders off the ground, twist to bring your left elbow to your right knee, then switch. Reps. 3 sets of 20 reps per side. Number 4. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands under your glutes. Lift your legs off the ground together until they're vertical, then slowly lower them without letting them touch the floor. This directly targets the lower abs. Reps. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Number 5. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with knees bent, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground. Twist your torso to one side, then the other, tapping the floor lightly each time. For an added challenge, hold a weight or any household item. Reps. 3 sets of 20 reps per side. Tips for success. Consistency. Aim to perform these exercises at least 4 to 5 times a week. Add cardio. Incorporate daily brisk walking, running, or other cardio to boost overall fat burn. Healthy diet. Focus on lean proteins, whole grains, vegetables, and limit sugar and processed foods.